When you come in, you go to your left, you'll see these shelves here. It's real nice. So you can just grab things when you go out the door. It's very convenient. Then also there is this closet. Shelf on top with a hanger. Another shelf. Then the next closet. Plenty of room and a mirror. So there's a telephone, 2 shelves. They leave water in the room. They charge for these unless you're a gold member. There's another mirror with some outlets, a charging station, another drawer, refrigerator, a stool under there with a trash can. It's very nice. This bed will make 2. It's a good size TV, a little like end table. If they split the beds, they usually put that in between them. There's all my friends. This ship, I don't think had a lot of balconies. The ocean view is nice though. The only downside is it is a window and the water gets on the outside. Makes it a little dirty, but it's still nice. There's a bed that lets out if there was a third person in the room or staying in the cabin. There's some little hooks for hanging. Thermostat to control the temperature. Here's the bathroom. The light is on the outside. There's a couple of little hangers there. The shower with this, there's a clothesline you can pull out. Shampoo, shower gel. Shower curtain. Window with the sink. That window, that's a mirror.